First is, what is equilibrium constant is very important, right? This one is
Yes.
very important. Why? Because most of the numerical question based on this point, this topic, right? Equilibrium constant.
Yes, sir.
Product upon reactant is clear. And
Yes, sir.
in terms
Yes,
of
sir.
pressure, in terms of pressure, in terms of pressure, what
Yes, sir.
we can use Kp, right? Equilibrium
AP. Yes.
constant in terms of pressure is called Kp, and the formula is same, product
Yes,
upon
sir.
reactant.
Yes, sir.
But what is the main things for Kp?
Sir, the unit.
Unit. And second is, it is applicable only for which one?
Gases.
Solid, liquid, gas, or aqueous?
Only applicable for gases.
It
Not
is
solid.
applicable only for gas,
Gases.
right? And question is, CaCO3 gives CaO plus CO2, right? If the partial pressure of if the partial pressure of CO2 is the partial pressure of CO2 is 5 atm, calculate
Okay.
Kp.
Uh, so it would be 5 ATM only.
Yes, Kp is
5 ATM.
5 atm, right? Kp is 5 atm.
Yes, sir.
What is the formula? Formula is Kp equal to pressure of CO2, right? And other thing is in solid state, means the pressure of the solid state we can count unit, means 1, right? You can take a 1.
Yes, sir.
Then answer is 5 is right answer. So 5 atm is right answer. Clear?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
And second is, unit is clear also.
Yes, sir. ATM upon ATM.
Atm. If the reaction is H2 plus O2 gives 2H2O, what is the unit of this reaction in terms of Kp?
Okay. So H2 is in liquid.
Yes, yes. H2O is in liquid. 2H2 plus O2 gives 2H2O.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
What is the unit of this reaction?
So there won't be any unit. No,
How?
there would be units, sir. It would be ATM.
First, you can
So
apply the
1
formula.
ATM minus 3.
First, like, what is the value what is the formula for Kp? That is product upon reactant, right?
Yes, sir. So 1
And
upon
in case
ATM.
of product, it is in liquid state. So you can take 1,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
But in case of reactant, hydrogen and oxygen is there. Hydrogen
Yes,
raised
sir.
to the power 2 and oxygen raised to the power 1.
1.
And you know that the unit of pressure of hydrogen and pressure of O2, then
Yes, sir.
what will be the unit? Means
So it
atm
should be
square, and here atm.
ATM power minus 3.
Yes, atm minus
Power minus 3.
power minus 3, right?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Again, one question is, 2NO gives N2 gas plus O2 gas. So what is the unit of Kp?
EP. So they won't be Everything cancels out in the end.
All are in gaseous phase.
Yes, sir.
So what is the unit of Kp?
So everything cuts out. So there won't be any unit.
Yes, means unitless, right?
Yes, sir.
It is unitless.
Okay, sir.
And third one is type of equilibrium. Type of equilibrium.
Okay, sir.
Type of chemical equilibrium.
Chemical.
It is generally of two types. First is homogeneous and heterogeneous. So do you know what is homogeneous and what is heterogeneous? Homo means
Uh,
same.
so
Homogeneous equilibrium. And second one is heterogeneous. Hetero means different and homo means
different.
same. Heterogeneous and homogeneous equilibrium. Homogeneous or heterogeneous. Chemical equilibrium is divided into two types. First is homogeneous and second is heterogeneous.
Hetero.
What is homogeneous? Homo means same. On which
All
respect?
reactions and products.
Homogeneous equilibrium. I am giving first example. Example is 2H2 plus O2 gives 2H2O. And this is the example for homogeneous. Means what will be the definition?
So when there is no external element in the whole.
Means homo means same. Means all
Yes, sir.
reactant and product. Reactant and product are in same phase, same state.
Same state. Okay, sir.
Same phase or same state. Both, all are. Reactant and product, all are in same
Yes, sir.
state. That is called homo.
Homogeneous.
Homo means
Homogeneous.
same. The equilibrium in which the equilibrium in which all reactant and products are all reactant and product are in same phase or same state. So that is why it is called homogeneous, same phase or same state. That is why it is called homogeneous. Homo means same.
Same. Yes, sir.
Done.
Yes, sir.
And what about hetero?
So when not all the states in the whole reaction are same, like
Yes,
H2 plus O2 gives H2 liquid.
yes,
But
yes, yes,
H2
right. So hetero means different, means all are not in same phase. The equilibrium in which the equilibrium in which all reactant and products are not in same phase, like CaCO3 solid state gives CaO, this one is solid state, plus CO2, this one is in gaseous state. This is the example for heterogeneous. Second one is uh, you can take C, this is solid, plus O2, this one is gas, gives CO2, CO2 is gas, right?
Yes, sir.
So if the reactant and product are are not in same phase, that is called heterogeneous equilibrium. And if
Yes, sir.
all are in same phase, that is called homogeneous.
Homogeneous. Yes, sir.
Done. And the
Yes,
next
sir.
point is very, very, very important. That is relationship between Kc and Kp. 90% chances to come this question. The heading is relationship between it. This one is very important topic. Relationship between Kp and Kc. Kp and Kc. Relationship between Kp and Kc.
Okay, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
In if the reaction is A plus B gives C plus DD.
Yes, sir.
In case of Kc, its formula is product means C raised to the power C, D raised to the power D divided by A raised to the power A and B raised to the power B. Or sometime we can use concentration for C like this. And C raised to the power C, D raised to the power small d, and A raised to the power small a, and B raised to the power small d. So we can also write in this way. Both is same. Bracket means
Okay.
concentration. So we can use C for concentration,
Okay,
right?
sir. Yes, sir.
And in terms of Kp, what will be? We can use pressure, like
Yes, sir.
concentration, like pressure, right? The pressure here C, here D, here small a, here B and small b, right?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Clear? And you know what is ideal gas equation?
Ideal gas equation, sir.
Yes, ideal gas equation is, you know,
No, sir.
okay. Written?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ideal gas equation is PV equal to nRT. PV equal to nRT. This is ideal gas equation. Ideal gas equation, it is PV equal to nRT. And P equal to N upon VRT. P equal to N upon VRT. And N upon V means concentration, means molarity. So molarity
Yes.
or concentration, that is number of moles upon volume. Number of
Yes.
moles upon volume, we can write C. C means concentration and concentration means molarity, right?
Yes, sir.
Then we can use pressure equal to CRT. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Done?
Yes, sir.
And then replace this value. We know that K equal to Kp equal to pressure, and pressure. Sorry. And here C, D. Here
Yes, sir.
A and B, right? Then you can
Yes, sir.
use CRT in place of pressure. We can use or not?
Yes,
Because
sir.
P equal to CRT. Then we
Yes,
can
sir.
use CRT in place of P. Then what will be the changes? CRT, here C, again CRT, we can use D, small d, here CRT, we can use A, small a, and CRT, we can use B and small b. Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Done? And
Yes,
then
sir.
separate this one. you can write separately. C raised to the power Cc. Then you can write C, Cc. You can take C and Dd. We can use or not? C
Yes, sir.
multiply by A, and we can see B and B, right?
Okay, so this
And
is
what about RT? RT raised to the power C. Here RT raised to the power D. Here RT raised to the power A and RT raised to the power B.
yes, sir.
So derivation is very important and ask sometimes 2 or 3 marks. Always. This is very important reaction and 100% they will come in examination. This derivation is
Okay, sir.
right.
Yes,
Very,
sir.
very important derivation is. And what about this? You know, this
This can
uh,
be written as KC.
Kc, right, right. So we can use Kc in place of this thing. And
Okay.
RT, you know, RT, the base is same, then you can add CD, right? The base is same,
Yes, sir.
then you can add A plus B. You know what?
Okay, sir.
RT raised to the
Yes,
power
sir.
C plus D. If the base is same,
Yes, sir.
then
We have to
power will
choose
be
power.
added. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Done.
Yes, sir.
And then Kp equal to Kc into RT raised to the power C plus D minus A plus B. A plus B.
Yes, sir. Okay.
In short, we can write is del Ng. Del Ng. So this is the formula for Kp and Kc. And this is very important formula.
So what is del Hg?
Yes, del Ng. G for gas. It is applicable
Okay, sir.
only for gas. What
Delta. And so what stands for H?
del Ng?
N.
N
Okay,
for
sir.
number of moles. N for
Moles.
number of moles and G for gas. So it is applicable only for gas and del means
Okay.
change, right?
Change.
And
Yes,
N
sir.
means number of moles. So what is the
Okay,
formula
sir.
for del Ng? Number of moles of sum of the number of moles of reactant or product.
The reactants.
No, no. First is product
Yes, sir.
and next one is reactant.
Okay.
Number
Yes, sir.
of
Versus product.
sum of number of moles of gaseous product. Gaseous product minus sum of the number of moles of reactant product. Reactant product. Del Ng means gaseous reactant. Gaseous means you will take only gas. Gaseous reactant. Gaseous reactant.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Then this formula is very
Yes.
important. Kp equal to Kc into RT raised to the power del Ng. And R means gas constant.
R.
This one is
Is
gas
called
constant.
gas.
Its value is fixed,
Okay.
8.314 joule per mole. And if we take like liter ATM, then we will use 0.08 8 to 1 liter ATM, 83 you can say, 83, and liter ATM per mole. Its value is fixed and given in question
Okay, sir.
because it is constant, and T
Yes.
for temperature,
Yes, sir.
right?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
And based on this formula, first question is based on this formula. Written?
Yes, sir.
First question is, tell me in which case Kp is greater than Kc, Kp is lesser than Kc, or Kp is equal to Kc if the reaction is 2H2 plus O2 gives 2H2O. Then how can you say that? The reaction is 2H2 gaseous state plus O2 is gas gives 2H2O gas. Then what will be the answer? Kp is greater than Kc, Kp is smaller than Kc, or Kp is equal to Kc. How can you say that?
Okay, sir. Using the same derivation we
No,
equation
no.
form.
You can apply.
Okay.
You know what is
Different
the
formulas from the past.
yes, Kp equal to Kc and RT raised to the power del Ng. You can find out the value of del Ng. Del Ng play very important role. Del Ng means number of moles of product. So how many number of products are there? 2.
2.
And number of moles of reactant is?
So 3.
Yes, 2 and plus 1 means 3. The answer is negative, right? Minus 1.
Okay, sir.
So when you place the value of minus 1 on here, then what will be? Kp equal to Kc and RT raised to the power minus 1. Then find out which one is greater. Means minus 1 means it is divided by RT.
Kp.
Divided by
It would be greater.
which one is greater?
Yes, sir. Kp.
K?
Kp is greater. Kp is greater than C. Kc.
No. Kc is greater in this case. How? How? Suppose the value of Kc is 100, right? Suppose.
Okay.
And suppose the R into T equal to 20. Then what is the value of Kp?
50.
50 not
Okay.
5.
Yes, sir.
Which
5.
one is greater? Kc is
Kc.
greater, right? Means the main thing is that, overall thing is that, if del Ng value is negative, right? Then
Yes, sir.
Kc is greater than Kp. Is it clear? If
Yes, sir.
this one is cased first. If del Ng
Yes, sir.
value is negative, it means Kc is always greater than Kp.
Yes, sir.
Case number second, if del Ng value is in positive sign, then Kp is greater than Kc. And case number 3, if the value of del Ng is 0, then Kp equal to Kc.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Then tell me answer. So you must know, if del Ng value is in negative sign, means Kc is greater. If del Ng
Yes, sir.
value is in positive sign, means Kp is greater. And if del Ng value is 0, then
Yes, sir.
both are equal. Clear? And tell me the answer.
Yes, sir.
Next one is, and you will take only gaseous product.
Okay, sir. Yes.
Tell me which one is greater in this case.
So Kp is greater?
Kp is greater. First,
Greater.
what is del Ng in this equation?
So 2 minus 1.
Yes, right. Because both are in gaseous state, all are in gaseous state. The number of moles
Yes.
is 1, number of moles is 1. 1 plus 1 means 2. And
2.
here product is 1, right?
Yes.
2 minus 1 means 1. So del Ng value is positive, right? Then it means Kp is greater than Kc.
Yes.
Why it is? Because Kp equal to Kc and RT raised to the power 1. And if the value of Kc is suppose 100 and RT value is 20, then what will be the Kp value? That is 2000, right? Automatically Kp is greater than Kc if the power is in positive. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Next question is H2 plus I2 plus I2 gives 2Hi. So which one is greater, Kp or Kc?
H2 plus I2. So they both are equal.
Yes, both are equal. Why it is equal? The first main thing is
Because
you have
2
to
moles.
calculate del Ng, right?
Yes.
So del Ng is key point. This is very important. First you calculate del Ng value and the number of moles of product is 2 and number of moles of reactant is 1 plus 1, again 2, right? 1 plus 1 means 2
Yes.
and 2 minus 2 means answer is 0. And you know that if the power is 0, then what is its value? If power is 0, RT raised to the power 0, it means
Yes, sir.
1, right? If any 1, 5 raised to the power 0 means answer 1. Any 1, A raised to the power 0 means 1. Clear? If any 1,
Yes, sir.
which power is 0 means its value is equal to 1. Any 1, you can take x raised to the power 0 means answer 1. Right?
Yes.
You can 100 raised to the power 0 means answer 1. Any digit, if its power is 0, means its value is 1. Remember that. RT raised to the power 0 means its value is 1. Then Kp is equal to Kc. Kp is equal to Kc.
Yes, sir. Sir, in Casey's formula, sir,
Yes.
sir, we also don't count solids or liquids, sir, in the case of Casey.
No. Kc, again gas, we can take gas only. Gas or
Okay, sir.
aqueous. But
Gas
in
or aqueous?
aqueous. But in case of Kp, we will take gaseous state.
Only gas. Okay,
Yes.
sir.
If
Yes.
Kp is there, Kp means pressure. Then we will take
Yes.
only gaseous state.
Okay, sir.
Done.
Yes.
Next one is 2SO2 plus O2 gives 2SO3. What will be the value of which one is greater, Kp or Kc?
So Casey would be greater.
Which one?
The Casey.
Kc. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Del Ng equal to number of moles of product is 2. Number of moles of product is 2 minus number of moles of reactant is 2 plus 1.
3.
3, right? Then the power is the value of del Ng. The value of del Ng is minus 1, right?
1.
Its value is negative, means
Yes.
Kc is greater than Kp, right? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Next one is, first question is from here, which one is greater and which one is not, on the basis of Kp and Kc. Second is numerical question based on this topic.
Yes.
Second one is on the basis of this topic, numerical question is there. Numerical question means they can ask calculate Kp.
Yes, sir.
Calculate Kp of this reaction like this. Calculate Kp if the Kc is 200 at 27 degrees Celsius. So what is the value of Kp? The question is that. And the
Okay.
equation is
Ratio.
2SO2 plus O2 gives 2SO3. You can balance equation should be. Then what is the value of Kp? If
Okay.
Kc is 200 at 27 degrees Celsius, how can you solve?
Yes. So 89.2,
How?
88.
Kp equal to Kc into RT raised to the power
RT
minus
minus
1.
1.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Means 200 divided by RT. R value of R is 3.14 and temperature you have to take in Kelvin scale. Means
Okay, sir.
you have to add 273 always.
270.
300. Right?
300. Okay, sir. Sir, and we'll be using 8.083 or sir this value 8.314. In this, sir.
8.314 is in Joule. Joule.
Okay, sir.
Clear? Then rejoin. Rejoin.
Okay, sir.